Alright, this is Chris with WNC Pressure Washing, and part of our plant and property protection we have to deal with koi ponds. And what we're going to do here, we check to make sure there's no gutter system going into the koi pond. This one is not, it's going into the ground. So we verified that. And the next thing we're going to do, we're going to cover it with plastic. It's not a hot day, so we're going to cover it for a few minutes so it doesn't harm the fish. Okay, here you go. We got the koi pond covered. Like I said, it's not a hot day. We're going to clean this area. And then we're going to remove that piece of plastic there.